Hello, in front of me I have got Logitech M750 mouse. In this video I'll show you how to use Flow function. To use Flow function, make sure that your mouse is connected to at least two devices. Now go to Logitech Option Plus and select your mouse. Go to Flow and set up Flow. Now pair mouse on different channel and connect the two devices to the same network. Continue, and now the app will discover the second PC. Once it's done, you can simply switch between PCs by pushing the mouse to the next monitor. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.